so just we will see different kind of data which is let's say supported by MATLAB. It might be image file, text file, various kind of data which is supported by the MATLAB. Okay, so now we will consider this arithmetic operators and the order of the operation. So we already executed some arithmetic operations with addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the power. So we have to keep in mind this kind of order. So order of the operation which is important. So complete all the calculation inside parentheses. Okay, so earlier we just given some parentheses inside that we covered some variables, some values we assigned. So complete all the calculation inside parentheses or the bracket using precedent rules below. So power that goes left to right, multiplication, division that is also go left to right, addition and subtraction that is also go left to right. So out of this, if you change, let's say one example we will consider. Already we know the arithmetic operation. We perform some example of some operation on arithmetic operator. So let us see. So the example is 2 plus 3 divided by 4 into 5. So what is the answer? 5.75. Let's say if I will put bracket, okay, or let's say on parenthesis, and I want to execute this. Okay, so it will change the answer. Okay, I'm using up carry to shift the previous command, the whatever command I executed, whatever program I given. Okay, now I will just put the different bracket, so it will say 5.75. This is the correct one. But if you change the order of the equation, so it will definitely change your, let's say, result or the output. Okay, so which is the correct one? We just gone through 5.75. Okay, so simply just if you just change the parenthesis to different, okay, so it will change your answer. So we just calculated one example, that is how to calculate the area and circumference of the circumference of a circle with radius some specific. Okay, sorry. Okay, so format, we already gone through the format. Okay, so some integer, real or complex, so infinity and not a number. So here let's say 0 by 0, which is not a number, so it will consider it as a not a number. Let's say 1 divided by 0, it is a infinity. Okay, so this thing which is let's say we can consider here. Okay, so go let's say complex number. So if I put complex number sign, let's say any value. Okay, so earlier I will just use sign and just I will simply put j. Okay, and I will put views. You can see here complex number x. Here I use some elementary function or the sign function here. Okay, now this example, multiple example we tried here. We can try it. You can take it as an exercise also. Okay, so we spend this. Okay, so just consider one more thing, square root. Okay, let's say I want to say the square root of 45. For that we can use square root command, insert the value. We can see, let's say exponential value of 5. Okay, or log. And now I will just show you the different values of log. Let's say with log, then let's say I want to change the base, so let's say log 2. Okay, let's say I will just change. Okay, okay, so sorry, by mistake I put this. Okay, so let's say log 10, the value of 10. So now we can see the 1. Okay,